Hello and a warm welcome to Joburg today. I am Nashina Mohammed. It's always a pleasure to have you with us. Well, this time of the year, Easter eggs are all over. At least one Johannesburg company looks at eggs completely differently. Well, they have been creating uniquely handcrafted ostrich eggshells jewellery for years now. The pieces have been attracting attention from international jewellery shows in Paris and Germany to craft markets and shops in Bryanston, Rosebank and Cape Town.
What can you think this? What is this even?
Ostrich, my darling.
Oh, this is nice. Never thought it'd make jewellery.
Is metal which is hard metal, stainless steel, together with a shell. So it's like brittleness together with diamond hardness, and that's it takes a long time to do, and it's kind of lots of pieces of two back to back, and that's where the fitting comes together. If you cut two circles and then you put them together, they're never going to match because it's from an egg shape. But if you twist that, suddenly it fits in and it's like magic.
You can do any design, any product from an eggshell. It is more valuable than I ever thought it would be. Yeah, eggshell is a perfect raw material for making jewellery.
It looks like it's like a stone, but you don't feel a stone or a shell from the sea. No, it's not that, but it's an ostrich egg and it's so lovely.
I was so unsure that it wasn't going to just shatter in front of us. But after a long time of me insisting and everybody fighting with me, we dropped the dental clay, and it's very strong actually. We don't need to be insecure about it. That ostrich shell is actually thick enough and strong enough. I mean, if the Bushmen stored water for thousands of years, then surely we can make jewelry out of it. We're in business to make people look beautiful.
Whether you do something in the natural shell to a painted to an etched piece, it gives great variety and individuality because the eggshell is also so varied in textures and so on.
12 years ago, Mambu Design sent their first pieces to a show in Frankfurt, Germany. And the rest is history. The business even weathered the bird flu epidemic affecting the local ostrich industry.
We mostly get the shells from Ostrich. The farmer barters with us. So he's got a show farm, he's got a shop. We provide him with the jewellery and he provides us with the eggs. It works very well because obviously he wants to keep it us supplied, and that's been a great lifesaver because the eggs have at times really been a problem to source due to the bird flu and that kind of thing.
When I cut it wrong, it affects everybody on the team. So I must be very specific when I'm cutting pieces so that my other teammates won't have a problem in assembling and putting on the artwork. So it's very important to follow exactly the lines that I'll be drawing on top of the eggshell and to choose the proper eggshell according to the quality and the size of the design.
We are the guys responsible for giving the ostrich eggshell a picture that you see. I was shaking in the beginning because I knew basic art, but then through working here at Mambu Design, I've learned so much. I perfected what I've been doing over the years, and then it became simple. It is easier, but it takes time.
Tourists and the European market apparently especially appreciate the jewellery. But it's not all.
I was really wonderfully surprised to find in one of the trend websites, New York trend websites, that one of our necklaces, which did win an award at the show that I did in Paris, was featured there alongside Vivienne Westwood and Dolce & Gabbana and all those names.
The one I love most is the one I'm wearing now. It's one of the geometric ranges that we came up with. It came from Dominic, and I love this piece.
That's one that I really appreciate. It's done with the inside of the egg, and it's got a very contemporary feel to it. It's also a reversible piece. So on the other side you see the natural eggshell.
I never thought it would be so difficult to choose amongst ostrich eggshells. Marize de Klerk, Joburg today. How does this look, by the way?